to my YouTube channel and welcome to my first Halloween look of 2018. We are serving full Poison Ivy cosplay in her realness glamour here on my channel today. And there may also be the other Gotham bad girls, so Harley Quinn and Catwoman coming soon, so yeah, stay tuned for them. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below what you think of this look, and subscribe to a bitch. Hopefully, if I can get my ass in gear, there'll be a new video every single day this month, but at the very least, I am hoping to bring so much content this month. Like, Halloween is my time of year, it's the time to get in full drag, so yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and thanks for watching. So who else is really excited for my little Halloween series I'm bringing this month? I know it's only my first look, but there's some sickening ones on the way. So I'm starting this look off with my body bronzer already on, and then I'm going to prime my skin with my Holy Grail Becca Backlight Priming Filter to add that gorgeous lit from within glow. To colour correct my beard area, I'm going in with this gorgeous peach shade and then lightly setting it with a little bit of powder. For my gorgeous super full coverage foundation, I'm going in with my Krylon TV Paint Stick in the shade 3W and buffing it out with my Real Techniques buffing brush. To highlight, I'm using the shade 406, and then to contour, I'm using the shade 7W. I do have a full coverage highlight and contour routine, which I will leave linked down below. Once I'm happy with how everything is looking, I'm going to heavily set in place using my Coty Loose Airspun powder, and then fill in my brows with this red Rimmel lip liner, and I was actually happy with how it kind of turned out. To start off my eye look, I went in with Acid Berry from Sugarpill, which honestly, this green is like giving me so much life right now, and I literally just winged that out into a winged eyeliner shape. To deepen it, I used Midori, also from Sugarpill, and just basically did the same steps and just slowly created that like elongated Uma Thurman kind of green cat eye shape. To add some more dimension and definition, I went in with the darker green shade in the e.l.f. matte palette and then carved out my eyelid space in an exaggerated drag way using a white Illamasqua eyeliner. To set that down, I used that nice creamy shade in that e.l.f. palette also, and then just lightly buffed over the edges just so it looked a little bit more smoky and wasn't so like a defined super kind of cut crease look. And then for my inner corner highlight, I use this BH Cosmetics Festival palette just to add a little bit more shimmer and sparkle. And then lightly blended out my lower lash line with a little bit more of that initial acid berry colour, and then spritzed my brush and went in with Lucky Clover from the Moonchild Glow Kit and heavily packed that on my inner corner. And Lucky Clover is becoming like an all-time favourite highlighter. It is absolutely stunning. To contour my skin, I went in with the Highlight and Contour Kit from Makeup Revolution, and then I remembered that I didn't put green in my waterline yet, so then I went in with my Limelight Green Eyeliner from LA Girl, and then finished contouring. To highlight, I also used that same palette and just put that in the higher points of my face, just to make it a little bit more draggy and defined. To add some gorgeous bronzy touches, I went in with my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Bronzer, and then used Cherish from Makeup Geek as blush, and I heavily packed that shit on. To highlight, I use a Flexitarian initially and then Lucky Clover over the top just to add like a slightly green tinge to it and that more like Poison Ivy vibe. To melt all the powders together, I heavily set my skin with the e.l.f. setting spray and then use my Mayron Barrier Spray just to seal everything nicely in place. For that gorgeous red lip, I went in with a BH Cosmetics lip liner and then used Nurse from Sugarpill. I did pop a little bit of Cherry Wet from Jefree Star Cosmetics right in the centre just to make it look a little bit more juicy. And then yeah, that's the finished look. Pop on a wig, rhinestones and some lashes, and that is my first Halloween transformation done. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video and thanks for watching.